I Hope It Rains, written by the Prowler. When I die, I want it to rain, so everyone knows of my relief that my journey in this life has finally come to an end. I hope the rain falls on the cheeks of the people and washes down their faces, so they can feel the sadness I went through and all feel the relief in my death. The cold in the water from the sadness becomes warm with the realization that there will be no more pain, no more death, no more betrayal, no more false promises of beautiful lies left unkept and unfulfilled. The once tortured soul has now been set free from a place it never belonged to in the first place, a place it did not ask to be, but still deserved more kindness from the ones who surrounded it. So if you should feel yourself start to cry, know it rained today, and I have died. I would like to give a heartfelt thank you to the special friends of the channel for your overwhelming generosity. If you would like to support the channel, the link is below in the description. Also, please send me your stories and poems to duchessofdarkness27@gmail.com. You can also find me on Instagram at duchess.ofdarkness and Twitter at duchessofdarkn2. I want to thank all my listeners for your kindness, your encouragement, and your support. It means the world to me. Thank you for joining me. Until next time.